Now for section 2, so it's Fisher, McKinnon, Gale, Williamson, Ivy, Samuels, Oates, and Wilson from Mona in lane 8. Section 2 of 8, Class 4 girls 200-meter preliminaries. Fisher from Belfield goes in 1, McKinnon, Ardennes 2, Gale, Mount Alvernia 3, Merle Grove 4, Ivy, Alpha 5, Samuels, Edwin Allen 6, Oates, Veer Technical 7th, and Wilson, Mona High in lane 8, full field.
Yeah, looked at Ivy out there from Alpha, part of their strong Class 4 core, and Williamson of Merle Grove as well.
Alpha did well at the Corporate Era Championship. Ivy was actually a finalist there, off the podium though. And again, they're asked to stand up.
Yeah, a nice rebuilding being done by Alpha. Finished 3rd at the Corporate Era Championship, behind first-time winners Immaculate and many-time champions Excelsior.
So the girls are sent to their blocks once again for this section 2, heat number 2 of 8. We're 9 minutes into the event and we've only had one race.
But many callbacks.
The start is ready. And they're sent off. Second time of asking. Oates from Veer Technical gets a good start. Samuels from Edwin Allen, both on the outside, the central schools. It will be Samuels from Edwin Allen who takes them off the bend. Inside, Ivy from Convent of Mercy Alpha steps forward now, goes by Samuels, and will take the win. So Ivy from Alpha gets the win. Samuels from Edwin Allen there. And Veer Technical's Oates looks as if she came through for 3rd place, 25.15 or 26.15 for Ivy, the win there.
That was a bit of a calm, relaxed close there for Ivy of Convert of Mercy Alpha. Here we're looking at them heading into the bend and working. She's in the mix, but Edwin Allen Samuels going well, coming off the turn with her ID around her neck. So cute to see the Class 4 athletes still respecting those rules. Older athletes not so much. And this is where Ivy steps forward. She looks like a quarter miler, just really strong, long strides and easy surges ahead comfortably to take that one.
Yeah, 26.15, just slower than her personal best, 26.14. And you're so right, Daniel.